Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss 20 GK questions relating to our Indian Constitution and its formation and amendments and some things relating to it. But before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on. In which year preamble was amended? In which year our preamble was amended? The answer is 1976. I repeat, the answer is 1976. Next question. Who drafted the preamble of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Moving on to the next question. Who described Part 3 of the Constitution dealing with the fundamental rights as the most criticized part of the Constitution? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. The fundamental rights listed under which article are automatically suspended on the proclamation of the emergency due to war? The answer is Article 19. I repeat, the answer is Article 19. Moving on to the next question. Who decides the reasonableness of restrictions imposed on the fundamental rights? The answer is Supreme Court and High Court. I repeat, the answer is Supreme Court and High Court. Moving on to the next question. Which fundamental right was considered to be the heart and soul of the Constitution by B.R. Ambedkar? The answer is right to constitutional remedies. I repeat, the answer is right to constitutional remedies. Moving on to the next question. Under which article of the Constitution a citizen can approach the High Court if he has been denied fundamental rights? The answer is Article 226. I repeat, the answer is Article 226. Moving on to the next question. In which case did the Supreme Court rule that the Parliament had the right to amend any of the fundamental rights? The answer is Keshavananda Bharati case. I repeat, the answer is Keshavananda Bharati case. Moving on to the next question. In the Constituent Assembly, who headed the Fundamental Rights Subcommittee? Fundamental Rights Subcommittee was headed by J.B. Kripalani. The answer is J.B. Kripalani. Moving on to the next question. In India, the idea of fundamental rights has been copied from? The answer is USA, that is the United States of America. The answer is USA. Next question. The amendment that made the right to free and compulsory education a fundamental right. The answer is 86th Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 86th Amendment. Moving on to the next question. Which amendment of the Constitution removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? The answer is 44th Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 44th Amendment. Next question. The Constitution Amendment granted a position of primacy to all directive principles over fundamental rights. The answer is 42nd Amendment. I repeat, the answer is 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment was introduced after the recommendation of Dash Committee. The answer is Swaran Singh Committee. I repeat, the answer is Swaran Singh Committee. Moving on to the next question. When a public officer commits an action that infringes a person's fundamental rights, a writ of Dash is issued by the court. The answer is mandamus. A writ of mandamus is issued by the court. Next question. What is called the Magna Carta of India in the political terminology of India? The answer is fundamental rights. I repeat, the answer is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is the Magna Carta of India. Next question. Which article was inserted by the 86th Amendment of the Constitution to the list of fundamental rights? The answer is Article 21A. I repeat, the answer is Article 21A. Moving on to the next question. In which case the Supreme Court took the view that fundamental rights and directive principles are complementary to each other and there was a need to sacrifice one for the other? The answer is Minerva Mill case. I repeat, the answer is Minerva Mill case. Moving on to the next question. The provisions concerning the suspension of fundamental rights during emergencies was borrowed from the Constitution of? The answer is Weimar Constitution. Weimar Constitution is in Germany. I repeat, the answer is Weimar Constitution. Now, the final question of the series: which part of the Constitution was criticized as New Year resolutions, which were broken on the 2nd January by M. Nasruddin, one of the members of Constituent Assembly? The answer is Directive Principles. I repeat, the answer is Directive Principles. Well, that's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.